the most attractive gate. There is a new wood-made gate, and this is very special for visitors, which is made by wood. Hello everybody, assalamu alaikum. How have you been today? Again, I have come to Batashi Park at Ujangram. As you can see, now I am standing in front a new gate of this Batashi Park. So there is something new at this Batashi Park, and today in this video, I will show you what is new at this Batashi Park today. Okay, so let's see what is here new at this Batashi Park. Okay, there is a new wood-made gate, and there are many people come to visit this Batashi Park, and they usually takes photo with this beautiful gate. And another something new here at this Batashi Park I want to show you. So let's go on that side, and I will try to show you. Look here. There is another beautiful gate which is made by wood. As you can see, this gate is made by wood, and people love to take photo with this beautiful gate. And look at there, there is the most attractive gate, and this is made by bamboo and wood. Okay, so I want to show you this gate properly on the back side, because today is very sunny. As you can see, today is very sunny, and this is the back side of this beautiful wood gate. Okay, so I love to take some photo with this beautiful gate. My dear video viewers, you know that some days ago I came to this Batashi Park, and I made some videos from this beautiful Batashi Park. Okay, after coming to this Batashi Park, I have seen this beautiful some gate. He is here, as you can see. So this gate are new at this Batashi Park, and also this Batashi Park is under constructing. As we can see, all around here, all things are under constructing, and I hope that after completing the construction of this Batashi Park, this park will show the beautiful look, and this park will be very attractive. So those are interested to visit anywhere like this type beautiful area, you can come here to visit this beautiful Batashi Park. Okay, so let's see. I see here another new things, and now I am going toward this place, and I wanna show you. Okay, hey guys, here is another new thing at this Batashi Park, and this is very special for visitors. Okay, those are come to visit this Batashi Park. They use this beautiful boat to enjoy this big pond. Okay, if you want to visit this beautiful pond by boat, this is yours, and you can use this opportunity. Okay, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.